Welcome back to the Car Updates, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G550. Whether you're a longtime fan of the G-Class or just curious about what this beast of a vehicle has to offer, this deep dive will give you everything you need to know about the latest iteration of the G-Wagon. From powertrain and off-road capability to the lavish interior and advanced technology, this review will explore every corner of what makes the 2025 G550 a standout in the SUV market. Let's start with a bit of context. The G-Class, or G-Wagon as it's affectionately called, has a heritage dating back to the late 1970s. Originally designed as a military vehicle, it has since evolved into a symbol of status and rugged luxury. Despite its evolution, it has retained its boxy design and hardcore off-road DNA. The 2025 G550 continues that legacy, but with refined touches, more tech, and better performance across the board. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G550 features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces a hefty 416 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, this setup delivers smooth, responsive acceleration both on and off the pavement. It's not just about brute force, though. The engine is refined and quiet, yet powerful enough to take on steep inclines, rocky terrains, or spirited highway driving. The G550 clocks 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.5 seconds, which is quite impressive for a vehicle of this size and weight. Mercedes-Benz has equipped the G550 with a full-time four-wheel drive system and a 2-speed transfer case. Add in 3 fully locking differentials, and what you get is a machine that can conquer just about any terrain you throw at it. The suspension system has also seen updates to improve both on-road comfort and off-road articulation. Whether you're climbing mountains or cruising the freeway, the 2025 G550 adapts effortlessly to its environment. From a design standpoint, the 2025 G550 retains the classic G-Wagon silhouette that enthusiasts love: flat body panels, upright windshield, exposed spare tire, and strong character lines. However, Mercedes has refined the details. The LED headlights are more pronounced, the grille is subtly updated with chrome accents, and new wheel designs give the vehicle a more modern yet rugged aesthetic. The overall appearance is bold and unapologetically luxurious. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes opulence. The 2025 G550's interior is a fusion of premium materials and cutting-edge technology. Soft leather seats, real wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting create a space that is both inviting and sophisticated. The dashboard is dominated by a pair of 12.3-inch digital displays, one for the instrument cluster and the other for the infotainment system. MBUX, Mercedes-Benz latest user interface, is intuitive and feature-rich, offering everything from voice commands to augmented reality navigation. One of the standout features of the G550's cabin is the seating. Both front and rear seats are heated and ventilated, with ample support for long drives or rugged trails. The rear seats offer generous legroom and headroom, making the G550 a practical choice for families as well. Cargo space is ample for a luxury SUV, with a wide-opening rear door that makes loading and unloading a breeze. From a pricing perspective, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G550 starts at around $145,000, and the price can climb quickly with options. Yes, it's expensive, but what you're getting is a unique blend of performance, luxury, heritage, and off-road capability. Few vehicles in the world can match what the G550 offers in terms of versatility and status. If you're looking for an SUV that can handle the toughest terrain without compromising on comfort or status, the G550 should be at the top of your list. Whether you're heading to a mountain trail, a luxury resort, or just driving through town, the G-Wagon makes every journey memorable. Thanks for joining us for this in-depth look at the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G550. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of the new G550? Would you take it off-road or keep it city-bound? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.